Dear students, welcome to Kota Maths Lab video tutorials. In this video, you are getting introduced to a concept called algebraic expressions. When we write 3a, here 3 is called as numerical coefficient. I'll write it here for you. Numerical coefficient. Whereas A portion, A is called as variable. A combination of a number and a variable combined together becomes algebraic expression. Let us take another example. Minus 2ab square. Minus 2 is the numerical coefficient and a and b are variables. When there is a single term, here is a single term, such algebraic expressions are called monomials. They are called as monomials. Whereas if two algebraic expressions monomials, let us take 2a as an example and 5b as another example. If both of these two are either added or subtracted, now it becomes another algebraic expression called as binomial. Monomial, binomial. Monomial contains single term, whereas binomial contain combination of two terms. Similarly, we have 3m plus 1 by 2m n plus 0.5 p. If we take this, then this becomes a trinomial. Thus, we will get introduced to monomials, binomials and trinomials in the chapter called algebraic expression. Here, let us understand 3 to the power a minus 1. This can be written as 3 by a because it is containing a variable and a numerical coefficient, hence we call it as an algebraic expression. But usually it is written in this form, which is a kind of standard form of writing an algebraic expression. And supposing we have 1 by 5 m n cube p, then this becomes monomial as we discussed earlier. Supposing this monomial 1 by 5 m n cube p divided by 1 by 25 m by n square, then we have the division of this can be done in a simple method. 1 by 5 into m n cube p. divided by, when divided by, this becomes 25 by 1 into n square goes above and m comes to denominator. Here this m and m cancelled and 5 ones are 5, 5s are cancelled. 5 into 1 becomes 5. N cube into n square, this becomes n raised to 5. According to law of index, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n, that is n raised to 5 into p as usual. Therefore, this becomes our result. When this monomial is divided by another monomial, the division of monomials give another monomial. This is how the standardization of various discussions will take place in this topic. Happy learning. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for your support.